how to play Polytopia with friends. In this video, I'll show you how to play Polytopia with friends. So to get started, click on multiplayer on Polytopia. And then once you're in here, you need to go ahead and enable all of this required access into this section. So click on this fix it button at the right side of that specific requirement. So you need to go ahead and enable notifications first. So on your settings, click on permissions and then make sure to enable notifications. So once you have enabled that, go ahead and head back to Polytopia. So once you're back on Polytopia, you need to click on this fix it button at the right side of the purchase one tribe. So running an online multiplayer service costs real money. So you need to go ahead and buy one tribe first before you can proceed on using the multiplayer mode. So you can go ahead and add your friends first as well, since it's really important to add your friends before you create a new game on Polytopia. So in here, you'll be able to find the tribes that you can purchase on Polytopia. So make sure to purchase one before you can go ahead and proceed on using Polytopia. So once you have bought one, you can go ahead and proceed on adding friends, setting up your profile, and then creating a new game in here. So make sure to set your game setup, and then you can go ahead and proceed once you have done that. And that is how you can basically play with your friends on Polytopia.